Hi, and welcome to another video by Jimthecarguy. Who wants some more free stuff? Today we're going to be doing another giveaway. The last time I did a giveaway, I mentioned I would be doing something with a camera that was sent to me. It's actually made by a company. This is the product here. The company's name is Z3G. That's the company. And this is the camera right here. I'll open it up and I'll show you what it looks like in a minute, but first we have to get through a couple of things here that I just want to talk about before we open that up and take a look at it. All right, anybody who doesn't know, I have a Amazon store. You can take a look on my Amazon store and you can see this product and just about anything else that I use in the shop at all. This contest is only for United States residents. I will not be shipping out of the United States, just so you know. The other thing is I will be also picking 3 names when I use the random comment picker. The 3 names are going to be like this. The first person that I pull is going to be the winner. If that first person fails to contact me within 1 week, then the second name that I pull out will then become the winner, and so on down the line. When you leave a comment on the video, make sure that you leave your comment and put down what state you live in, because if there's not a state after the name or the comment, then I will not be able to send the product to you, just so you know. And as you know, I use that random comment picker, so I have no control over whose name is pulled out of the comments, but everybody will have a chance to do it. All right, so this is the product here. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to show you what's inside of it. I have a couple of more things that were sent to me as well. I think I have 3 or 4 more things come in this week that I'm going to actually do giveaways on as well. But we'll get through this one first, and then we'll decide which one we're going to go and do. I do have one thing I do want to show. Well, you know what? Let's not even get into that. We'll talk about that at a later date. United States only. This is the video that is going to be at the comment is not going to be left on this video. The comment you're going to leave on a video that I'm soon to post. Let me just tell you which one it's going to be. Give me 1 second. It's going to be a break video. Let me just go through it and I'll tell you exactly which one it's going to be. The video that you're going to leave a comment on, and I will give you all the details underneath that description there as well. The comment is going to be on a how to replace rear brakes and rotors on a 2002 to 2011 Honda CR-V. That's the video that you'll need to leave a comment on. So if you leave a comment on that video with your name or your comment and also what state you live in, that's the one that I'm going to pick the comments from. All right, so this is the unit itself. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. And just so you know, I did not put it in my car and test it yet. I don't know if I'm going to. I've just been very busy and I really don't have time to do something like that, but let me just show you what comes with it so you have an idea. This is the unit itself. Is very small. This is it. All right. Or I should say, that's it. Okay. It's probably pretty much self-explanatory. It does come with directions in the back of it as well. It comes with a bunch of other attachments in the box that you can read through, as well as the suction cup to put it up onto the dashboard, the charging port where it looks like you'll plug in your power into it, and like I said, the piece to stick on the dashboard, that most likely is going to connect to the camera itself. These are the cables that come with it. Okay. It does come with a charging. Let me open this up so you can see. Now, anybody who wins this is brand new. I'm just opening it up to give you an idea of what is coming with. All right. This is the piece that goes into your accessory port in your car. It'll plug into it, obviously, to power up the unit itself, which will plug into the one port like that. And then you can also charge right through here any other items that you have to charge in your car as well, so you're not losing the port itself. I'm not going to put this back in the bag because, just so you know, it does come with the owner's manual, of course, which you'll have to read through, and you'll see how to set it up and how to use it. I'm going to read to you from the Amazon page that it comes from, what it can do. Okay, it says dash cam, Z Edge, Z3G, and it's dashboard camera for cars, 2.7-inch, 1440p, 30 FPS, quad HD, GPS, low light vision, parking mode, G sensor, supports 128 gigabytes. And so on down the line. Like I said, you can check it out in my Amazon store and you can see everything that it can do. But basically what it is it just records. Whenever you're in the vehicle and you're driving, it records everything that goes on in front. All right, so some lucky subscriber is going to win it. So make sure you leave a comment on the video, that brake job video that I was just telling you about, the how to replace the rear brakes and rotors on the 2002 to 2011 Honda CR-V. I will be making that video live at the same time when I make the video live for the camera here itself. All right, it does have, I guess it has the built-in, it does have the built-in memory card in the camera itself, because it doesn't look like it's a removable item, but you'll have to read the directions to be able to tell for sure. All right, so good luck to everybody. Once we get through this one, we'll see you next month what we're going to do as far as a giveaway next month. I have a couple of things, well, you know what, we won't even get into it. We'll talk about it when we're ready to put it up. All right, good luck to everybody, and I hope somebody, some lucky subscriber gets this and really enjoys using it. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.